Buenos dias, innovation, and happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history, in 2008, the Large Hadron Collider went live. The world's largest particle collider, the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, was built by the European Organization for Nuclear Research, or CERN. It is an 18-mile long experimental machine which passes through the French-Swiss border. The collider was constructed to find the Higgs boson particle, an elementary particle in physics. In 1846, on this day, the patent for the sewing machine was awarded. The United States Patent Office awarded a patent for the first sewing machine with a lock-stitch design to Elias Howe from Spencer, Massachusetts. While he had little success marketing his machine in the U.S., machines similar to his design became very successful, especially among women. Our quote of the day comes from Harriet Tubman. "You have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world." Our important news for the week. As a reminder, school's going to return in person on Monday, September 21st, and make sure you're keeping up with attendance and your assignments, or we'll be reaching out to your parents to let them know we need you to attend in person. Also, make sure you're putting in those 30 plus minutes in AR Zone and ST Math if they're low. And the parade of prizes is this Friday, so make sure you let your folks know that if they want to pick up your prize, they have to do so on Friday, September 11th. So that's tomorrow. Let's see if we have some birthdays today. Today's birthdays we have Chanel Williams, happy birthday, and Carleni Ruiz Santos. Happy birthday, guys. If you see them in any of your classes, please give them a shout out for their happy birthday. Let's see what's going down in the cafeteria for breakfast and lunch. Today's breakfast is a cereal with a cracker pack, and lunch is a calzone with zesty lemon broccoli. Sounds delicious. Our core value of the week continues to be closing the achievement gap. As I reminded you earlier, work on your ST Math 30 minutes a day and read your AR book for 30 minutes a day. The only way to get better is to be consistent. Results will come if you stick to the plan. As always, stay focused, ladies and gentlemen, and rise to every occasion. Mr. Roussel's got tons of meetings to be in today, and I know you all are going to have a fantastic one. Go ahead and rise, Inferno. Take care.